Tom Cruise has reportedly added Prince William and Kate Middleton to the recipient of his Christmas gift. Tom Cruise has reportedly added Prince William and Kate Middleton to the list of his close friends to whom the Hollywood star sends special coconut cakes. The Top Gun actor uses his private jet to deliver the world's most exclusive Christmas gifts from Los Angeles. The Sun reported that the Prince and Princess of Wales will be receiving a 38-pound white chocolate coconut bundt cake from Doan's Bakery in Woodland Hills this year. An insider spilt the beans to the outlet. This is pretty much the who's who of who matters in global entertainment and showbiz. Adding the royals to the list just shows how their star power travels. Last year, the publication reported that Tom shipped 300 cakes from LA to the UK. As the insider told the outlet at the time, Tom wanted to give the team on Mission Impossible a treat for Christmas and decided that only cakes from his favorite bakery in LA would do. He organized for the shop to make 300 cakes especially, and they were then flown back to the UK on his jet. It is extravagant, but Tom is an incredibly generous person and he wanted to do something special for everyone who has worked on the movie with him, the source added. Tom Cruise sides with Prince William. Kate Middleton, actor is shocked by Meghan Markle-Prince Harry's antics, source claims. It looks like Meghan Markle and Prince Harry have seemingly lost another person in their inner circle, Tom Cruise. According to Radar, the actor, 60, was put off by the pair's TV tell-all, which aired in March 2021, in addition to their desire to constantly be in the press. Tom has followed Harry and Meghan's saga very closely and is shocked by it all, a source said. He used to be a big fan of theirs, Meghan's in particular, and even considered getting her involved in one of his movies. When Meghan, 41, and Harry, 38, first moved to the U.S., the Top Gun alum was apparently looking forward to working with the Suits star. But now that is off the table, the insider stated. In May, Cruise was spotted hanging out with Prince William, 40, and Kate Middleton, 40, at the premiere, which didn't seem to sit well with the California-based couple. Meghan and Harry seem seriously envious that they've lost out on this Hollywood friendship, but he's just the latest in a long line of power players who've given them the cold shoulder, the insider claimed. As OK previously reported, the handsome Hollywood star was also friendly with Queen Elizabeth before she passed away on September 8. The Queen let it be known that she was really disappointed not to have met Tom at the pageant, so he was invited to have a special tour of Windsor Castle with everything laid on for him, a source spilled of their first meeting. Afterwards, just the two of them had tea together. She loved seeing him and they really hit it off, so much so that she invited him back for lunch, the source added. He was even allowed to fly in by helicopter. While attending the Platinum Jubilee in June, Cruz praised the late monarch. "She's just a woman that I greatly admire. I think she is someone who has tremendous dignity and I admire her devotion," the Mission Impossible lead stated. "What she has accomplished has been historic.